In 2024, the realm of urban transportation will witness a revolutionary shift with the emergence of the best cargo electric bikes. These innovative two-wheelers seamlessly blend eco-conscious commuting with practicality, catering to the rising demands of urban dwellers and delivery professionals alike. As cities prioritize sustainability and efficiency, cargo electric bikes stand out as a versatile solution, offering ample storage space and emission-free mobility. Crafted with cutting-edge technology and ergonomic designs, these bikes are engineered to navigate bustling city streets effortlessly. With powerful electric motors augmenting pedaling efforts, they effortlessly carry heavy loads, transforming delivery logistics and personal errands. From groceries to parcels, the cargo capacity of these bikes ensures seamless transportation of goods, reducing reliance on conventional vehicles and mitigating traffic congestion. In 2024, the best cargo electric bikes not only redefine urban commuting but also champion environmental sustainability and practicality, setting a new standard for modern transportation solutions. GoTrax Porter. The GoTrax Porter is a game-changer in the world of cargo electric bikes. Priced at $1,599, the Porter combines functionality, durability, and eco-friendly transportation, making it an ideal choice for urban commuters and delivery professionals alike. At the heart of the Porter's design is its integrated rear cargo rack, capable of carrying up to an impressive 330 pounds, including the rider. Whether it's groceries, office supplies, or work gear, the Porter ensures you can transport everything you need for your day-to-day activities. Additionally, an optional seat allows you to bring your child along for the ride, enhancing its versatility. One of the standout features of the Porter is its removable 48-volt, 10.4 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, with a charge time of 5 to 6 hours and a range of 59 miles per charge. You can rely on a Porter for long-distance journeys without worrying about running out of power. Furthermore, the adjustable sizing of the seat and handlebars ensures a comfortable riding experience for users of all heights. Safety is paramount with the Porter, which boasts dual braking with front and rear disc brakes for swift and secure stops. The dual-leg kickstand provides stability when parked, while the 20x3-inch tires offer a smooth ride over various terrains. Additionally, the reactive tail light alerts others when you're slowing down, enhancing visibility and safety on the road. Constructed with aluminum alloy 6061, the Porter weighs 73.5 pounds and comes with a 2-year limited warranty. It is equipped with an LED display and headlights. This cargo electric bike combines convenience, reliability, and performance, making it a standout choice for modern urban transportation needs. With the GoTrax Porter, you can effortlessly navigate city streets while reducing your carbon footprint and enjoying the convenience of cargo carrying capabilities. Tern Orox. The Tern Orox is the epitome of adventure and functionality in the realm of electric cargo bikes. With a price of £8,100, this bike is not merely a means of transportation. It's a rugged companion built to tackle any terrain and carry heavy loads with ease. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, the Tern Orox boasts a 6061 aluminum frame, patented design, and FB testing and approval, ensuring reliability and strength on every journey. Paired with an Atlas X Cromley steel fork, this bike is engineered to withstand the toughest challenges, be it on urban streets or off-road trails. At the heart of the Orox lies a Bosch Performance CX motor, capable of propelling the bike to a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour. It is coupled with an 800 watt-hour battery with the option for a dual battery pack, so riders can expect a range of 93 to 161 kilometers or even more with the 1600 watt-hour variant. The Tern Orox doesn't just excel in power and endurance, it's also equipped with a plethora of features to enhance the riding experience. From the Bosch Kiox 300 display with LED remote and electronic bike lock to the Bosch Connect module with GPS, GSM connectivity, and anti-theft alarm, every detail is meticulously designed for convenience and security. With a roll-off 14-speed shifter, Gates Carbon Drive CDX belt, and Magura hydraulic disc brakes, the Orox offers precise control and smooth performance in any situation. The Tern Atlas X wheels, Schwalbe Johnny Watts 27.5x4 tires, and heavy-duty aluminum fenders ensure stability and durability. while the Atlas Kickstand XL cargo-ready kickstand adds practicality to the mix. In summary, the Tern Orox isn't just a bike, it's a versatile adventure machine, ready to take on any challenge and carry you and your cargo wherever the road leads. Fiido Titan. The Fiido Titan emerges as a formidable contender in the realm of electric cargo bikes, offering a blend of power, endurance, and versatility at an attractive price point of $1,699. It is designed to tackle the demands of urban commuting and adventurous journeys alike. The Titan boasts impressive specifications that set it apart from the competition. At the heart of the Titan is a rear hub, 750-watt toothbrushless motor, delivering a formidable 70 Nm of torque. With 5 pedal assist system levels and a preset max speed of 15.5 miles per hour, riders can enjoy effortless pedaling assistance. For those seeking a thrill, the max speed can be unlocked to reach up to 28 miles per hour, offering exhilarating performance on any terrain. Powering the Titan is a robust 48-volt 14.5 amp-hour battery capable of enduring 800 cycles. With a single battery, riders can enjoy an impressive range of 84 miles, while opting for the triple battery setup extends the range to a staggering 248 miles, perfect for long-distance adventures. Constructed from lightweight yet durable aluminum, the Titan ensures stability and strength while carrying heavy loads. With a maximum payload of up to 265 pounds on the saddle and 177 pounds on the rear rack, this e-bike offers ample capacity for transporting cargo or groceries. Comfort is prioritized with the inclusion of a Velo saddle, enhancing endurance during long rides. Additionally, the IPS Smart Display serves as a waterproof dashboard and key to unlocking the battery, providing convenience and functionality on the go. Whether navigating city streets or embarking on outdoor adventures, the Titan stands ready to tackle any challenge with ease. Aventon Abound. The Aventon Abound is a versatile and dynamic cargo e-bike designed to elevate your riding experience to new heights. Priced at $1,799, the Abound is a multifaceted powerhouse that offers endless possibilities for urban commuting, grocery runs, or leisurely rides around town. Equipped with a robust 750-watt rear hub motor and a throttle on demand, the Abound delivers smooth and efficient power whenever you need it. The LCD Smart Easy Read display provides clear and intuitive access to essential ride metrics, ensuring a seamless riding experience. Powered by a 48-volt, 15 amp-hour battery with LG cells, the Abound boasts a substantial 720 watt-hour capacity, providing ample range for your daily adventures. With up to 50 miles of range on a single charge, you can explore your city with confidence. Constructed from double-butted aluminum alloy, the step-through frame design of the Abound offers both durability and accessibility for riders of all heights. The suspension fork with 50 mm travel, complete with lockout, ensures a smooth and comfortable ride even on rough terrain. Featuring hydraulic brakes, 20 by 2.4-inch tires, and ergonomic comfort grips, the Abound prioritizes safety and comfort without compromising on performance. The inclusion of a dropper seat post, folding stem, and adjustable handlebars further enhances the rider's experience, allowing for customizable fit and control. With a total weight limit of 440 pounds and a rear rack capable of supporting up to 143 pounds, the Abound offers ample cargo capacity for your hauling needs. Additionally, included features such as front and rear lights, fenders, and a storage bag ensure convenience and versatility for every ride. Whether you're running errands or embarking on a weekend excursion, the Abound is your ultimate companion on the road less traveled. Velotric Packer 1. The Velotric Packer 1 emerges as a game-changer in the realm of electric cargo bikes, offering a harmonious blend of functionality, performance, and innovation at a price point of $1,999. Designed to cater to the diverse needs of urban commuters and cargo haulers, the Packer 1 boasts an array of features that elevate the riding experience to new heights. It is constructed from lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy. The frame of the Packer 1 is fully integrated with a lockable down-U battery and internal cable routing, ensuring a sleek and streamlined appearance. Paired with a hydraulic suspension fork with 80 mm of travel and a 15 by 110 mm through axle, This bike offers exceptional handling and comfort on various terrains. Equipped with a powerful 750-watt hub motor, the Packer 1 delivers peak performance with 1200 watts and 75 Newton-meters of torque. With a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour, 25 miles per hour unlocked, the Packer 1 offers both power and efficiency for urban commutes and cargo hauling. The 48-volt, 14.4 amp-hour battery, featuring LG 21,700 cells, provides ample power for long-distance rides, with a charging time of 4 hours for 0 to 80% and 6 hours for a full charge. Riders can enjoy seamless control and access to essential ride metrics through the 3.5-inch backlit LCD, which includes information such as speed, trip distance, battery level, and assist level. With 5 pedal assist modes and a thumb-controlled removable throttle, riders can tailor their riding experience to their preferences. Safety and convenience are prioritized with features such as Apple Find My Security, integrated front and rear lights, and hydraulic disc brakes with 4-piston calipers. In summary, the Velotric Packer 1 sets a new standard for electric cargo bikes with its innovative design, powerful performance, and versatile capabilities.